Hello YouTube, this is Dar from DaretoBeCreative. Welcome to my channel. Thanks for returning and checking out my haul. And this one is from the Dollar Tree and Walmart. A little small haul. I picked these boxes up because they were like stinking cute. They are probably nice for shipping or something. Let's see how they are. 10 and 3/4 by 7 1/4. Yeah. So they had it in black. And you know they had a ton in red. So it's red and silver. I don't know why they did red and silver. Black and gold. And then they had pink, but you know I left it, but it was pink and gold. And they also had blue and silver. So I got 2 of the red and 2 of the black. Thought I could stuff it with stuff for giveaways, for like my Dollar Tree stuff, which I haven't done another one because my first person I sent it to 4 times for her stuff and never got there because the postal service is still waiting. And I called and like, well, give us a couple more days because it says it's in transit. I'm like, how many more days? It's been a month, and I paid priority and ain't got there yet. I digress. Sorry about the crinkling. Okay. Did pick just a couple, didn't go crazy. I just picked up this, I was making some layouts with some sports on it. So I just got this from the Dollar Tree. And that was the new one that was in this week. Of course, by the time this video is up, probably be 2 weeks. I thought this was cute. Great artists create, unique, creativity is magic. Look at that, you know. I love that stuff right there. This one's super cute. Pool. And this is one like with a flamingo. I got those 4 sticker sets. They get some more of the blue beads, the clear, and the pink. And then from Walmart, I got some of the 98-cent pearls. There's not a lot in here, but I have a lot of crinkling. Those 2 sets. Those 2 sets. Have you figured out what I'm going to do yet? Little alpha beads. That's a different Walmart, not my main one. That's where I got this from. And they had some magnets. And I know my sister-in-law already told me I had to make her some. So that's more of the little beads. And of course, the ladies have been making these. So I picked up some of the quarter safety pins. I haven't made those in a long time. So I figured, hey, that'd be fun. I see everybody doing it. We'll go back to making some of those. So that is basically my haul. Smaller haul from Dollar Tree and Walmart. So anyway, thank you for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.